Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher Channel. Welcome to Teacher's English lesson. Today we are going to learn about note expansion writing. What is a note expansion writing? It is a guided writing where students use the given pictures, words, or WH questions to write an essay. As you can see on the blackboard, A, one big picture with list of words. B, a series of pictures with list of words under each picture. C, a topic with WH questions. And D, a series of pictures with WH questions. 2 tips to answer note expansion question A and B is first, combine the words to build as many simple sentences. You can use the pictures to generate the ideas and then combine the simple sentences into paragraphs. Use the pictures to arrange the sentences. This is an example answer for question A and B. They are talking about Farid and his friend and their hobby fishing. Tips for questions C and D. Combine the answers you get from the WH questions into simple sentences. Then combine the simple sentences into paragraphs. Use the WH questions to arrange the sentences to form paragraphs. For additional, add in own ideas, connectors, adjectives. This is a sample answer for question C and D using WH questions. These are some very important tips that you can use to create a good note expansion writing answer. So try to use these tips. That is all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel to get updated with latest tutorials. For resources, click on the link in the description box. We'll see students in the next lesson. Thank you.